Hi everyone and welcome to ARS Online Shop, and today I'm gonna show you top ranked general household toolkits with hundreds of pieces and accessories and being bought thousands this month. So watch this video till the end to choose which is best, and if any queries are left then comment me below. So initially we have a Cartman, a general household toolkit made of alloy steel and plastic, which includes 39 pieces household hand tool set, in which we have 4 precision screwdrivers with hex key that can be used to screw in deep holes, along with a knife and a scissor. It also includes a 10-foot tape measure with SAE and metric marking, along with a durable hammer that can be used to hammer objects and pull nails, and all this stuff inside a toolbox. It also contains a magnetic screwdriver with 2 inches magnetic extension bar, along with 20 pieces screwdriver bits. Claw hammer is mainly used for striking, magnetic bit holder for screwing purposes, slip joint plier for fixation for round parts and small nuts and bolts, and screwdriver for precision working. Before moving forward, like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. And it has been ranked number 2 in tool sets, tools and home improvement with an amazing 4.7 star ratings from over 36,000 plus individuals, and 80% individuals have rated this product 5 out of 5 stars. And the price of this product is only $23 with 8% off at the moment, and 4,000 plus individuals have bought this product in the past month. It is also available in orange, blue, pink and red. It is extremely highly rated with 4.7 star ratings, so do buy this product if you are interested in any general household toolkit. And second, we have a Amazon Basics general household toolkit made of steel, which includes hex key wrenches, level, scissors, precision screwdrivers with 20 pieces screwdriver bits, a bit extension, magnetic bit holder, utility knife, hammer, 100 pieces hardware kit with 10-foot tape measure, and a slip joint plier of 6 inches. And it should be reminded that customers usually keep this Amazon Basics general household toolkit, and it has been ranked number 4 in tool sets with an amazing 4.8 star ratings from over 2,000 plus individuals, and 83% individuals have rated this product 5 out of 5 stars, and the price of this product is only $28.50, and 3,000 plus individuals have bought this product in the past month. It is Amazon's choice too, and it is available in 2 colors, turquoise and pink. So here we have the general comparison of the 2 general household toolkits. So first of all, the ratings of Amazon Basics is 4.8 stars, greater than that of Cartman, which is 4.7 stars, so a point for Amazon Basics. Amazon Basics have 2,700 plus rated individuals, while that of Cartman has 36,000 plus rated individuals, so here a point for Cartman. Last month's sale shows that Amazon Basics have been bought by 3,000 plus individuals in the past month, while that of Cartman by 4,000 plus individuals in the past month, so here a point for Cartman. Amazon Basics have 142 pieces, accessories and tools, and it includes a hardware kit too. So 2 points for Amazon Basics, while that of Cartman has only 39 pieces tools and it does not contain any hardware kit. The discount of Cartman general household toolkit is 8%, while that of Amazon Basics does not have any discount, so a point for Cartman. Also, the price of Cartman toolkit is only $23, smaller, or you can say that lesser than the Amazon Basics, which is $28.50. Cartman general household toolkit has been ranked number 2 in tool sets, while the Amazon Basics general household toolkit has been ranked number 4 in tool sets. So if we combine the points that I have given, Cartman gets 5 points while Amazon gets 3 points only. So here you can assess that why Cartman is number 2 ranked and Amazon Basics has been ranked number 4. So if you want to buy a general household toolkits, I recommend that both are very good general household toolkits. Yes, Amazon Basics have the edge that it has 142 pieces and contains a hardware kit, but Cartman has greater edge that it has a discount. It is available in lesser price than Amazon Basics. It has a less rating, but more people have rated this product. Amazon Basics is 142 pieces because it contains 100 pieces hardware kit. So if we subtract 100 from 142, it's also about 40 pieces tools. Also, Cartman has 39 pieces, so it's almost the same, but Amazon Basics have only hardware kit, which some people utilize and some not. So I recommend that you buy Cartman general household toolkit because it is available in only $23 with 8% off, and it has 4,000 plus individuals which have bought this product in the past month. So if you like our comparison, then hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching this video.